Welcome, savvy investors. Before we dive into the corporate action extravaganza featuring ITC, NTPC, Coal India, GAIL, Cupid, and Sunshine, let's take a moment to catch up on the pulse of the market. Investors in LIC's IPO are getting a shot at redemption as the stock surged 1.9% on Tuesday, reaching its highest level since its IPO in May 2022. Over the past 10 months, LIC's market value has witnessed a remarkable climb, adding a whopping $30 billion. Tata Investment stock has been on a stellar run, boasting a gain of nearly 129.21% in the last 6 months and an impressive 172.37% in the last year. This exceptional uptrend is a result of the company's robust financial performance, with a consolidated net profit (PAT) of 53.2 rupees crore for the quarter ending December 2023, reflecting a substantial 53% year-on-year increase. Tata Motors Limited's shares have reached a historic high, surpassing Maruti Suzuki India Limited's market capitalization for the first time in over 7 years, with a market cap ending at Rs 3.14 lakh crore. Tata Motors is now the most valuable auto company in India. PNB's share price has witnessed a remarkable jump of over 12% in just 4 sessions, fueled by strong Q3 FY24 results and an exciting fundraising plan. Buyback Electronics has secured a significant order worth Rs 847 crore from the Finance Ministry, showcasing its prowess in the defense sector. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has reported robust Q3 FY24 results with an 11% increase in profit, aligning with estimates. The company's revenue rose by 7% to Rs 7,237 crore, and EBITDA increased by 4% to Rs 2,034 crore, maintaining a healthy EBITDA margin of 28.1%. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting corporate actions of ITC, NTPC, Coal India, GAIL, Cupid, and Sunshine. Against the backdrop of these markets' dynamics, the financial landscape is buzzing with opportunities, and we're here to guide you through the strategic moves that could impact your portfolio. Let's navigate the financial seas together. Prepare for a windfall. ITC has just declared an interim dividend of 6.25 rupees per share, and the excitement doesn't end there. The payment window is open from 26/02 to 28/02. Circle the 8th of February 2024 on your calendar. That's the record date. NTPC is in a generous mood with the announcement of the second interim dividend, a sweet 2.25 rupees per share. Mark your calendar for the payment date on 22/02. Get ready for a dividend shower. Coal India is considering a hefty second interim dividend on 12/02, flaunting a tempting dividend yield of 5.95%. Record date: the 20th of February 2024. Power Grid is making waves with the declaration of the second interim dividend on 07/02, featuring a tempting dividend yield of 4.46%. Record date: the 15th of February 2024. Buyback Electronics is making headlines with an interim dividend of 0.70 rupees per share. Save the date. Record date is the 10th of February 2024. GAIL is putting money in your pocket with a payment of interim dividend at 5.50 rupees per share and a charming dividend yield of 3.20%. Record date: the 6th of February 2024. Investors, rejoice. Mindspace has approved a distribution of 4.80 rupees per unit. Mark your calendar, record date is the 6th of February 2024. Hold your breath. CCL Products is gearing up to declare an interim dividend on 05/02. Stay tuned for more. MSTC is set to declare the second interim dividend on 08/02. Brace yourselves for good news. Missed the date? Not to worry. Gateway Distriparks has rescheduled the declaration of the second interim dividend to 14/02, with the record date set for the 26th of February 2024. Damir Bharat is about to make your day with the announcement of an interim dividend on 02/02. Exciting times ahead. Hold on tight. Bajaj Consumer Care is contemplating the proposal of declaring an interim dividend on 05/02. Stay tuned for updates. Bansali Engineering is on fire. They've declared the third interim dividend of 1 rupees per share, and the payment date is on or before 14/02. Mark your calendars for the record date on the 7th of February 2024. Get ready for a financial boost. IL Chemicals is considering and approving the declaration of interim dividend on 06/02. Hold your excitement. CRM Silk Mills is considering and declaring the second interim dividend on 08/02. Disseminated is set to declare an interim dividend on 06/02. And the record date is the 16th of February 2024. Small but mighty. Dolat Algatech has declared the second interim dividend of 0.10 rupees per share. The record date is the 9th of February 2024. Investors, get ready. Tina Rubber and Infrastructure have recommended an interim dividend of 3 rupees per share. Mark your calendars for the record date on the 5th of February 2024. Missed the boat? Indo-Thai Securities has revised the record date for the payment of interim dividend to 02/02, with the record date set for the 13th of February 2024. Hold on to your seats. QGO Finance has declared the third interim dividend of 0.015 rupees per share. The record date is the 9th of February 2024. PH Capital has set the stage for an interim dividend of 0.25 rupees per share. Record date: the 9th of February 2024. Stay tuned. Triveni Turbine is considering and approving the declaration of interim dividend on 05/02. Exciting news awaits. It's raining dividends. Advani Hotels and Resorts has declared the first interim dividend of 2 rupees per share and an issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1 on the 9th of February 2024. The record date for bonus shares will be intimated separately. Big news. Capri Global Capital has undergone a stock split from 2 rupees to 1 rupees per share and proposed the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1. Expected date: on before 26/03. Hold your breath. Cupid Limited is considering the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1 and stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees on 21/02. Sunshine Capital is set to shine brighter. They are considering the subdivision of equity shares from 10 rupees to 1 rupees and the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 7:1 on 23/02. The record date will be fixed by the board. Save the date. Intellivet Capital Ventures has set the record date for the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1 on the 7th of February 2024. Hold on to your seats. Kanani Industries is considering and approving the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1 on 31/01, with the record date set for the 30th of January 2024. GAIL Technical Fibers has made a strategic move with the consideration and approval of buyback at the price of 3,800 rupees through the tender offer route for an amount of 199.50 lakhs. Indiabulls Housing Finance is giving you an opportunity. They have announced a rights issue at 150 rupees in the ratio 1:2. With the issue period set from 07/02 to 13/02. Make a note of the record date on the 1st of February 2024. Hold your anticipation. Prime focus is set to consider and evaluate the proposal of raising of funds, including a potential rights issue. Stay tuned for updates. SEPC Limited is gearing up for a financial maneuver. They are considering the issue of rights equity shares on 29/01. Vakrangi Limited is set to stir things up. They are considering raising of funds by rights issue on 06/02. Hold on to your expectations. VLE Governance and IT Solutions Limited is considering the proposal of raising of funds, including a rights issue on 03/02. GRP Limited is making a bold move. They have announced raising of funds through a rights issue for not more than 4,000 lakhs. Captain Pipes Limited is making financial waves. They are gearing up for raising of funds through a rights issue for not more than 50 crore. Atal Realtech Limited is ready for a financial boost. They are planning to raise funds for an amount up to 27 crores, with the record date to be notified subsequently. LWS Knitwear Limited is on the horizon with exciting news. They are set to consider and approve the draft letter for proposed rights shares on 01/02. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update, share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.